Hey y'all, Saafiyah here, back with another Airbnb exclusive. So I made my way down to the southern Caribbean side of Costa Rica, and I am in a town called Cahuita, which is close to, I would say about 7 minutes away from Puerto Vargas and about 10 minutes away from the bigger city of Puerto Viejo. I'm in love with this little cottage of mine, this little villa in the jungle. I am in walking distance away from the beach, like literally right there. It's beautiful, and I will post videos of that beach including some hideaway, tucked away little spots for privacy and for your enjoyment. They are off the beaten path, and I love them. Okay, this Airbnb was $40.50 per night. Okay, there is no Uber access to this location. This is about 4 hours south of San Jose. I got here by personal car, not mine, but I had a driver, and you will meet him in one of my later videos. Okay, he's awesome. His name is Roger. Okay, so anyway, we took the trip down. It was a very comfortable ride, and we got here to my personal little oasis slash paradise. There are things in walking distance. It's quite a long walk. This Airbnb comes with the use of bicycles if you want it. From what I understand, the best way to get around is make yourself known to a taxi driver, get his card, and call him when you want to get around town if you do not feel like walking. So let me show you what I am getting for $40.52 per night. And I will be here for the next 3 nights. I can't wait for y'all to see it. Stay tuned. Okay, these are the pedal bikes that we can use to get around town, or if you prefer, you can hire a taxi, or you can even rent a motorized bike in town and get around that way. There's not a lot of traffic in this little town, so it shouldn't be too hard to get around. And literally, it's like one way in and one way out. Okay, these are the grounds, the plush grounds outside of the house, the little villa. I am so in love with this place, I gotta tell you. It's like in the jungle, and I hear that in the mornings you can hear the monkeys. You can hear and see the monkeys outside swinging from the trees and making their noise. So this is my little sitting area where I can have breakfast or drink coffee or tea. Surprisingly, I haven't gotten bitten up by any mosquitoes yet, so I'm happy about that. I have plenty of bug spray on deck. I have this very same plan at home, but of course it doesn't look as plush as this one. All right, so this is how you get into the main sleeping area right off the patio, which I love. Okay, I love the little decor. If I come on this side, you can see I'm literally right by the door. And they say that there aren't any snakes in this particular area. They say that they've been here for years and have never been bothered by snakes, so I'm happy to hear that. This is the little kitchen. Again, good for like 1 or 2 people. I won't be doing any cooking, any heavy cooking while I'm here, so this is okay for me. All right, the coffee maker. Okay, and check out the view from this window. Like, I mean, absolutely gorgeous. It's like my own jungle oasis. I cannot wait to wake up by the sound of the monkeys and the birds. Okay, this is the bathroom. Again, good for 2 people. You know, the accommodations are not fancy by far, but talk about relaxing. Talk about relaxing. I mean, this is priceless. All right, talk about pura vida, which is pure life, which is a saying or slogan that they have here in Costa Rica for just pure life. All right, let's take a walk out into my little jungle. Even though they say there's no snakes, I'm still watching out for snakes. No, this is beautiful. So this is what $40.52 per night can get you in Cahuita, which is on the Caribbean side of Costa Rica, 4 hours south of San Jose, which is the big city. And I gotta tell you guys, I prefer the Caribbean side more so than central Costa Rica. I am not a city girl. Check out the size of these elephant ears. I mean, man, y'all know I am a houseplant person, so these are like absolutely amazing. Whoops, I ripped one. But let me see if I can give you an example of how big these leaves are. Like phenomenal. All right, I'm a plant person. Look at the bird of paradise tree. That's an orange bird of paradise. They call them bird of paradise because the flowers kind of look like a bird. So that's why it's called bird of paradise. I have the white bird of paradise at home. All right, some Chinese evergreens. Actually, I think that's a different bacchia. I think these are different bacchias. That might be a calathea, or it might be a Chinese evergreen. Banana trees. Check out this aloe. I mean, this aloe is huge. Everything here looks like it's on steroids. That's aloe. So tell me what you think. Drop some comments and let me know if I did okay for $42.50 a night. Would y'all stay here? Is this something that y'all can do, considering it is kind of in the middle of the jungle? Remote, hardly no Uber or taxi options, rather. Definitely no Uber. But, you know, they do have taxi options, but it is pretty remote. It's beautiful. I love it, but could y'all do it? All right, drop me some comments. Talk to you later.